Hey guys, today let's make a Sweet 16 photo booth template. This one is rose gold theme that tends to be a really popular theme for Sweet 16s, and I'm going to walk through it step by step. So here's a blank template. It all depends on what software you use. This is the size I use for DSLR booth. It's different for everyone. So I'm going to start off by looking for a rose gold background and then filling up the background like this. And then since Sweet 16s often have a lot of glitter, I just typed in rose gold glitter, and there's a lot of choices, but this is the one that I used. As you can see, you can play around with the sizing. If you hover over the design, you can duplicate it like that, and then it'll fill your whole background like this. So for the name to pop out, I looked up rose gold background, and I found this pretty paint. And with my favorite font, Breathing, I'm gonna type in Blazin' Sweet 16. And after I type this up, I'm going to change the color to white so that it pops out against the rose gold. And then if you go to the three dots on the corner, you can find the effects, and then you can make the letters pop out even more by adding a glow. As you can see, you can edit the glow here. I'm making it brown, so that it pops out. Next, I am going to look for a crown to add onto her name. I found this pretty gold one by typing crown gold, and I'm going to put it on the B. And make sure that you position it right. I'm going to position it up so that it is on top of the B. And to add some decorative stuff, I looked up rose gold balloon, and I'm going to add this rose gold heart and a star just to fill some space. And then I'm going to add thank you for coming, because these are take-home gifts for people, these pictures to bring home. And then I'm going to add the date, so it's kind of like a timestamp of when this party was, and they can always remember when it was. Now this part is if you are a photo booth owner. What you're going to do for marketing purposes is to put your photography business name and put it in the corner, so that if people that are at the party ask, what is your business name, how much do you charge for rent, tell them that it's on the bottom of their photo, and then when they have their own event, they'll remember to look back at this photo and look at your name on the bottom. And if you want to see how it looks with pictures on it, look up rectangles, and then you can kind of play around so that you can see how the final product will look. You can choose so many different types of layouts, but I like to keep the space open so that once you add the type of layout you want, you can change it if you want to.